Amelia. What's the lamb say?
Baba.
What's the owl say? Hoo-hoo.
Baba.
That's what the lamb says.
Baba.
Where's your nose?
No.
Yes. Where's your eyes?
Where's your eyes?
Where are your eyes, baby?
I.
Where are they? Where are your eyes?
I.
Where's your hair?
Ha.
Yeah. Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth, baby? That's right, that's your mouth.
Where's your fingers?
Fingers.
Where's your toes?
That's right, those are your toes. Amelia, what's a duck say? Huh? What does a cat say? What's the cat say? What's the cow say? What's the dog say? What's the bear say?
Baba.
No, it's the lamb. What's the bear say? It's right.
Who's this?
Who's this? Who am I?
Mama.
That's right. Who's that?
Mama.
Who's that over there?
Mama.
No, who's that?
It's Daddy.
Dada. Dada. You're a smart baby. With the hiccups. What are you doing? Silly bee. It's a bright light on my camera. Yeah, hugs for Daddy.
Can I have hugs? Oh.
Aw, hugs for Daddy.
Can I have kisses?
Kissy Daddy.
Mwah.
Do I get hugs?
Hugs for Mommy?
Hugs for Mama.
Give Mama a hug.
Do I get hugs? No hugs for Mama? Yeah, hugs for Mama. Kissy. Do I get a kissy? Kissy. Oh, thank you. 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 Thank you. Mama loves you. Are you down? Can you say up, down? Up and down. Up and down. Up. And down.
It's a little difficult to film.
Bye. Say bye, Daddy. Say bye.
Bye.
No.
Say bye-bye.
I'm going to turn this off.
Yeah.